Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish jerky in a dehydrator. Start by selecting firm, fresh fish and trimming away skin and bones. Slice the fillets into even 1/4-inch strips to ensure uniform drying. Prepare a marinade with salt, acid, and seasonings, then refrigerate the strips for 4 to 12 hours to flavor and firm the meat before arranging on dehydrator trays for drying. After prepping strips, combine a balanced marinade with salt, acid like vinegar or citrus, and a sweet element such as honey or soy. Add measured spices like black pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika for subtle heat and smokiness. Marinate in the fridge for 4 to 12 hours to allow flavors to penetrate without breaking down the fish texture. Then pat strips dry before placing them on dehydrator trays for consistent airflow. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a little reward after a long kitchen session. It smells great and makes running errands nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Set your dehydrator to 145 degrees F and preheat to ensure safe dehydration. Lay the marinated fish strips in a single layer without touching to promote even air circulation. Start checking textures after 4 hours, then periodically until the jerky is dry yet still flexible and not brittle. Cool strips to room temperature, test for doneness, and store properly in airtight containers or vacuum bags to maintain shelf life and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.